Welcome back to Product Critique. Today we're taking a closer look at a budget-friendly accessory that a lot of Roku TV users will appreciate. This is the universal remote for Roku TV, a 2-pack replacement designed specifically for Roku-powered televisions from brands like TCL, Hisense, Sharp, ONN, Insignia, Philips, JVC, RCA, Sanyo, and several more. If you've ever lost a Roku remote, broken one, or just wanted a backup that works right out of the box, this video is for you. Let's start with what this remote actually is. Unlike some universal remotes that try to control everything in your entertainment setup, this one focuses only on Roku TVs, not Roku sticks, not Roku boxes, and not Roku soundbars. That makes it simple, lightweight, and hassle-free. You insert two AAA batteries, point it toward your TV, and it's ready. There's no pairing, no codes, no Bluetooth setup, no menus, just plug and play. The build quality is surprisingly solid for its price point. The body is made of eco-friendly ABS plastic combined with silicone, giving the remote a durable feel without being bulky. The buttons are soft, responsive, and designed for long-term use. The layout mimics the familiar Roku layout closely, so if you've used a Roku TV before, there's no learning curve. Every button is exactly where you expect it to be, and nothing feels out of place. One of the standout features is the set of shortcut buttons at the bottom: Netflix, Prime Video, Hulu, and Vudu. These quick launch buttons take you directly into popular streaming apps, making navigation faster. It's a simple feature but genuinely useful when you want to jump straight into watching something without navigating through menus. Now, one detail I want to highlight is compatibility. This remote uses standard infrared technology, which means it works best when pointed directly at the TV. There's no RF or Bluetooth here, so you do need a clear line of sight. In most living rooms, that's perfectly fine, but it's important to know if you're used to the wider angle remotes that come with higher-end Roku TV models. Because this is a 2-pack, you're essentially paying for one remote and getting a spare for emergencies. Anyone who has kids, guests, or simply a tendency to misplace remotes knows why that matters. And even if your primary remote is still fine, having a backup gives peace of mind. Both remotes are identical, both work straight out of the box, and both use the same plug-and-play setup. The company behind it, KJDiSRPin, emphasizes affordability without cutting corners. According to their design philosophy, replacement remotes shouldn't be overpriced, and that's clear in what they've created here. This is a simple, functional, well-built remote specifically tailored for Roku TVs, meant to make your life easier without stretching your wallet. Let's talk about everyday use. The buttons have a soft click, the response time is quick. And all essential functions, power, volume, mute, home, back, directional controls, work instantly. For anyone who needs a no-nonsense remote that behaves just like the original Roku TV remote, this one delivers exactly that. If your original remote feels worn out or some buttons don't register anymore, swapping to this one feels like refreshing the entire experience. There's no backlighting on the keys in this particular model, but the matte surface and clearly printed icons make it easy to use even in dim lighting. The compact shape also fits nicely in the hand, avoiding that slippery feel some cheaper remotes have. It doesn't feel cheap, even though the price is very accessible. As for what you get in the box, you receive two brand new remotes, and that's it, no batteries included. They arrive pre-configured for Roku TV use. The company also offers 24-hour support through Amazon Messages if you run into any issues. So who is this remote for? It's perfect for anyone with a Roku-powered TV who needs a replacement. A spare, or a simple, reliable remote without any pairing steps or complicated setup. It's also great for guest rooms, Airbnb hosts, dorm rooms, or families who want a remote that just works every single time. To wrap up, the universal remote for Roku TV from KJDiSRPin is a practical, affordable, and easy-to-use solution for Roku TV owners. It does exactly what it promises. Delivers a smooth, reliable control experience with no setup required. The 2-pack makes it an even better value, ensuring you always have a backup when you need it. If you're considering a replacement remote for your Roku TV, this might be the simplest and most convenient option out there. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more videos where we break down everyday products to help you make the right choice.